A severe thunderstorm was located near to Topolis, or near Effingham, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. The radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Shelby, western Cumberland, and north-central Effingham counties, including the following locations: Sigel. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 between mile markers 160 and 179. Interstate 70 between mile markers 94 and 97.
Out of there.
Until 9:15 p.m. A tornado was located near Leoga, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. A tornado has been reported by the public. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Lerna and Jamesville around 8:50 p.m. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. For the KXI-47 listening area, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9 p.m. for the following county: Cumberland, Illinois.
You found some way to stop death and survive.
If you take the life, you get the time that person has.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Crawford County, central Clark County, until 10:45 p.m. At 9:38 was located 10 miles north of Oblong, or 11 miles northwest of Robinson, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marshall. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 140 and 154.
They're returning.
Aaron now leaves to use the bathroom, so Gary continues the communication.
You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Coles County, northern Edgar County, southeastern Douglas County until 10:45 p.m. At 9:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Reardon, or 9 miles northeast of Charleston, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Oakland around 9:50 p.m. Brockton around 10 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Hume. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued